disconnect the negative battery terminal. 10 millimeter. Next, we're going to take out this plastic that goes right around the cruise control switch. And then there's going to be one on the other side of the steering wheel that looks about the same, except it doesn't have the switch coming through it. So we'll take both those out. Just take your trim tool, slide it in. Do the same thing for this one real quick. You're going to notice right inside here, there's a T30 bolt. It's a captured bolt, so it doesn't actually come completely out where you'd hold it and look at it. But you just kind of unscrew it until it's completely unscrewed, and then just leave it right where it is. That's what that tool looks like. Same to the other side. Now we're going to carefully pull up on the horn pad. There's going to be wires that are still connected back here. You have your airbag wires and the ground for your horn. We're just going to carefully set this aside. Obviously, we don't want to scratch anything. That looks good. There's a little push tab there. Phillips head, Phillips head. Got our brand new quality TRQ cruise control switch here. I'll slide that in. I'm going to grab that power wire, do that now. Awesome. Grab this horn pad, bring it around, carefully slide it in. Grab our T30 again. Let's see. Make sure that's nice and tight. Last thing you want is your horn pad wobbling around or coming off. Same thing to the other side. Grab your negative cable, connect it straight onto the battery. 10 millimeter, tighten it up.